The special court at Mercedes is scheduled to hear the arguments on Friday over the bail application filed by prime accused Zenito Cardozo in Rama Kankonkar attempt to murder case. And according to sources, police in the say filed before the court opposing the bail plea of Zenito Cardozo has contended that Zenito Cardozo has been arrested in this case on the basis of confessional statement given by accused Francis Nadar. Accused Francis Nadar has confessed that he had received a call from Zenito Cardozo informing that Rama is troubling him by highlighting his name on social media and defaming him. Accordingly, they hatched conspiracy to assault Rama Kankonkar, and since 14th September 2025, they started following Rama with weapon of assault and cow dung. Zenito was providing them information regarding whereabouts of Rama Kankonkar, and finally on 18th September 2025, accused Francis Nadar got information through WhatsApp call from Zenito that Rama was at Karanjlem. Accordingly, they visited the spot, located Rama Kankonkar, and they executed their plan by assaulting Rama with cable wires and rubbed cow dung on his face. The police has further contended that all the call history on Zenito's mobile phone has been deleted by Zenito prior to his arrest, which clearly indicates that Zenito is fully involved in the crime. The police has finally summarized that investigation is in preliminary stage and the investigation agency requires more time to investigate and to go to the roots of the case and to unearth the conspiracy behind the crime. The police has also contended that the crime committed by Zenito is serious in nature and it has created terror in the minds of general public. Hence, he does not deserve bail at this stage. Police has also apprehended that if Zenito is granted bail, then there are chances that he might threaten or interfere directly with the witnesses and also threaten the family members of the victim Rama Kankonkar and complainant Soeru to depose the facts about this case before the court. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.